auto insurance is essential protection for every vehicle owner. It provides financial security when accidents happen and shields you from potentially devastating costs. There are several types of coverage available, each designed to protect you in different situations. Understanding liability coverage, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and other components helps you make informed decisions about your insurance needs. Throughout this video, you'll learn how each coverage type works and what situations they protect you from. Liability coverage is the foundation of auto insurance and is legally required in most states. It consists of two main components. Bodily injury liability covers medical expenses, lost wages, and legal fees if you injure someone in an accident. This includes treatment costs, rehabilitation, and compensation for pain and suffering. Property damage liability pays for damage you cause to other people's vehicles, buildings, fences, or any other property. This coverage protects your finances if you're found responsible for an accident. Collision coverage protects your own vehicle when it's damaged in an accident, regardless of who caused it. Whether you hit another car, collide with a tree or pole, or your vehicle rolls over, collision coverage pays for repairs or replacement. This coverage applies even if you're at fault for the accident. It's particularly valuable for newer or more expensive vehicles where repair costs could be significant. You'll pay a deductible before the insurance covers the remaining repair costs. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from damage that occurs outside of collisions. If your car is damaged by fire or stolen, comprehensive coverage steps in. It also covers weather-related damage from hail, floods, or falling trees. Animal collisions, such as hitting a deer, are included as well. Vandalism and broken windows or windshields are also covered under comprehensive insurance. Think of it as protection from everything that isn't a collision with another vehicle or object. Personal injury protection, commonly called PIP, covers medical expenses for you and your passengers after an accident, no matter who caused it. Unlike liability coverage that pays for others' injuries, PIP covers your own medical bills, hospital stays, and rehabilitation costs. It also compensates for lost wages if you're unable to work due to accident-related injuries. This coverage is required in some states and optional in others. It provides quick payment without waiting to determine who is at fault. Unfortunately, not all drivers carry adequate insurance. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you when you're hit by someone with no insurance at all. Underinsured motorist coverage applies when the at-fault driver's insurance limits are too low to cover your damages. Both coverages pay for your medical bills, lost income, and vehicle repairs when the other driver cannot. This protection is crucial because millions of drivers operate without proper insurance, leaving accident victims vulnerable to financial loss. Medical payments coverage, known as MedPay, is an optional add-on that covers medical expenses regardless of who caused the accident. Unlike personal injury protection, it focuses specifically on medical bills without covering lost wages. MedPay has no deductible, so it pays immediately for emergency room visits, doctor appointments, surgeries, and ambulance rides. It supplements your health insurance and can cover copays and deductibles. The quick payment process makes it valuable for immediate medical needs following an accident. A deductible is the amount you pay out of your own pocket before your insurance coverage begins paying for damages. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and your repair costs $3,000, you pay $500 and insurance pays $2,500. Choosing your deductible involves a trade-off. Higher deductibles result in lower monthly premiums, saving you money on insurance costs. Lower deductibles mean higher premiums, but less out-of-pocket expense when filing a claim. Select a deductible you can comfortably afford to pay if an accident occurs. Beyond standard coverage types, several optional add-ons enhance your protection. Rental reimbursement covers the cost of a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired after an accident. Roadside assistance provides emergency help for towing, jump starts, flat tire changes, and lockout services. Gap insurance is crucial if you financed or leased your vehicle, as it covers the difference between what you owe and the car's actual value if it's totaled. Custom equipment coverage protects aftermarket modifications like upgraded sound systems or custom wheels that aren't covered by standard policies. Choosing the right auto insurance requires evaluating several important factors. First, consider your vehicle's value. Newer, more expensive cars typically need comprehensive and collision coverage, while older vehicles might only need liability coverage. Your financial situation determines what premiums you can afford and what deductible level makes sense for your budget. Finally, check your state's legal requirements, as minimum coverage limits vary by location. Some states require only liability coverage, while others mandate personal injury protection or uninsured motorist coverage. Balance these factors to create a policy that protects you adequately without overpaying for unnecessary coverage.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.